Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to withdraw money from Z-League using the easy and updated cash out method for 2025. So step 1, open the Z-League app or go to zleague.gg and log into your account. Step 2, tap on your profile icon or wallet at the top right corner to view your earnings and balance. Step 3, ensure that your account is verified. You may need to provide ID or payment details before making a withdrawal. Step 4. Select the withdraw or cash out section and choose your preferred method such as PayPal, bank transfer, or sometimes gift cards depending on your region. Step 5. Enter the amount that you want to withdraw. Take note that Z-League may have a minimum withdrawal limit, which is typically around $10. Step 6. Confirm the transaction and check your email or app for withdrawal confirmation. Step 7. Wait for the processing time. Most Z-League withdrawals are processed within 3 to 5 business days. And now, you have successfully withdrawn your money from Z-League. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.